So hello everyone with a new video. As I told you that this exercise is very important because we not have to do much hard work. Whatever we did in 5th standard, we have to follow that only. So here today we will discuss another question in which we have to find HCF and LCM of particular given number, and one formula is given in our textbook that we have to verify it, that by this process are both the answers are equal or not. So here we will begin our process doing continuing next question number 2. So here you can see question number 2. So here is the question number 2. Find LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integer and verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of that two numbers or not. So here we have to verify. For that process, first we have to see both the numbers and we have to find simple prime factorization of particular numbers. So here we are beginning our process. As you can see, our number is 26. So here we will prime factorize it, that 13 twos are and 13 ones are 13, means we got prime factors of 26. As well as here we will find prime factors of 91. So here we can see 13 sevens are 91 and 13 ones are 13. So here we can see that we prime factorize both the numbers. So here we will write that 26 is equals to 2 into 13. And here we will write that 91 is equals to 7 into 13. Now the new process is that we have to find HCF of particular numbers. HCF means both having the common numbers, means 13 is a common in both, so we will write 13 as HCF. Here we have to find LCM of that particular numbers. It means we have to write 13 as well as the remaining numbers, means 2 and 7 also. So here we will write 2 into 7 as well as 13. So here we got our HCF and our LCM. When we are multiplying all these things, 2 into 7 into 13, we got number as 182. So here we have completed our process, means first thing find LCM into HCF. Now here we have to verify, means our equation is HCF of particular numbers, means 26 into 91 into LCM of 26 comma 91 will be equals to 26 into 91. So here is your left and right side. First we will substitute here 13 into 182. Whatever answer we are getting, that should be equals to 26 into 91. So here we are beginning. On the place of this we can write, here we will take left hand side, which is this one. So HCF of 26 and 91 is 13. So we will write 13 into LCM of 26 into 91 is 182. Now we have to multiply both these numbers, and so again here we have to check 13 into 182. So it will be 2366. That is our left hand side. Now we will take our right hand side. So our RHS is 26 into 91. When we are multiplying 26 into 91, again we are getting 2366. So here we say it is verified. This is how you have to write the question, and you have to verify by substituting in our formula. And here you can see that it is very. Here is a question 2. We have to find LCM and HCF of these two numbers. So first we will begin with 510. Here we are taking 2 as first prime factor. So here we are getting 2 2s are 4 and 5. It will become 11. 2 5s are 10. 1 will again remain. So we will make it 10. 5 2s are 10. So here will be 255. We will start with 3. Here we can say 8 3s are 24. So 1 will remain. We will make it 15. And 5 3s are 15. So here we got. Here now we will begin our process with a 5. 5 1. So here 5 1s are 5. 6 7 and 8. So it will become 35. 5 7s are 35 and 17 1s are 17. So here we got factor of 510. Now we will separately find factors of 92. So here we will begin this process with 2. In the table of 2, the nearby value for 9. So here 4 2s are 8. 1 will remain over here. And 6 2s are 12. We can write over there. Now in a table of 2, 46, when 46 will come, the 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 23 is prime factor, so we cannot do further process. So here we got factors of 510 and 92. So here we will write that 510 will be equals to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. And there we will write that 92 is equals to 2 into 2 into 23. So here we will write our HCF, means the common numbers in both of them. So here we can see that 2 is common. So here we can write that HCF is 2. And here we will find LCM of that particular number, means included that 2. And the whatever is remain means 5 into 3 into 17 into this 2 into 23. When you are multiplying this, you are getting number as so here we have to substitute this, that HCF of particular numbers means 510 and 92 into LCM of 510 into 92 will be equals to 510 into 92. So here we will write in the form of left hand side and right hand side. So here first we will begin with left hand side. HCF of that particular number we got as 2 and LCM we got as 23,460. So we will write 2 into, when we are multiplying these two numbers, so our LHS is this. Now we have to find RHS. That will be 510 into 92. When we are multiplying both this number, we are getting the same. And here we will write that it is verified. So here we having two numbers. First we will find prime factorization of 336. So we are taking 2. 2 ones are 2. We will make it 13. In the table of 2, 6 2s are 12. So 1 will remain over here. We'll write as 8 2s are. So it will become 16. So here we will again begin our process with 2. 4 2s are 8. So it will become 84. Again we will start with 2. 4 2s are 8. And 2 2s are 4. Again we will begin with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are. 3 7s are and 7 1s are. So here we got prime factorization of 336. Here we will begin with 54. We will start with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. 2 7s are 14. In the table of 3, when 27 will come, here we can check. Here we will say 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we prime factorize both the numbers. So here we will write 336 will be equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And there we will write 54 will be equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now here if we have to find HCF, keep it in mind that the numbers which can be common in both. So 2 2 we will write, and this 3 and this 3 means 2 into 3. So our HCF is 6. Now we have to write LCM. So LCM includes this 2 and this 3. So first we will write that, as well as the remaining thing means this 2 2 2, that 7, and here that 3 and that 3. So when we are multiplying all this 2 into 3 into 2 2 2 7 into 3 into 3, then we are getting 3024. Now here we have to verify it, means HCF of particular number into LCM of that two number will be equals to multiplication of these two numbers. So here we will divide it in left hand side and right hand side. So we will write LHS left hand side means product of these two means 6 into 3024. So our answer will come that is our LHS. Here we will find our RHS. So our RHS is this one, 336 into 54. When we are multiplying both these numbers, we are getting the same number. And here final answer we will write that it is verified. So this is how we can do the whole process.